How to fix Uber app background check issues. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Uber app background check issues. For this, you want to open up any web browser and search for Uber background check issues. Now, you will find this website, which is My Background Check Failed option. If you think there is an error or missing info in your background check, you have the right to dispute the background check findings. For this, you want to select this website. Now, you want to go through all of this. Then, down below, you have the highlighted portion where it says, to dispute, please visit this help page. Go ahead and tap on the help page option. Now, Uber uses third party to check the background. Here, there is the checker option. You want to contact checker by replying to the email or going to the checker portal. If your report is over a year old, you have to reach out to the checker support team. If you want to dispute an issue, you will have to visit the checker error reporting page. Go ahead and tap on this link over here. Now it will bring you to the checker's website. Here you will have to enter some of the information. Go ahead and enter your phone number over here. Next, you want to enter your email address. Now enter your social security number. Once that is done, you want to select your date of birth. So select your month first, then select the day. Now you want to select the year. After that is done, tap on the Get Status option. Now, if you want to dispute the background check, you can do that by following the on-screen instructions over here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.